Hi folks, welcome to MTS. Today I'm heading over to my local Menards to pick up their latest lighted boxcar. This is the Chessie system Operation Lifesaver boxcar that has the alternating flashing LED lights. So I'll go pick this up and we'll do a quick unboxing. Do an unboxing. Just went up to Menards to pick up their latest lighted boxcar. This is the Chessie Operation Lifesaver lighted boxcar. Just released, just got the email on it this past Tuesday. Came in yesterday, was able to go pick it up today. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I did pull this is the MTH Chessie Stop Look Listen boxcar. It's got the LED flashers on it, so we're going to just kind of do a side-by-side with this one. As you folks know, I'm a very big fan of the Chessie system. We're going to actually go to put it on the layout with that latest Chessie train set that I just acquired. I think it's going to look good. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, there we go. Now what's cool, I think these smaller LED bulbs for the Operation Lifesaver, I think they flash as well. And then it's got that one too. Just looking at the box, I can already see I've got a repair I'm going to have to do with the wheel. The wheel looks like the axles come out of the truck assembly. Chessie system boxcar with lights. There you go. Yeah, this is the model number is 275-9442. Okay, let's this feels like it's got a piece of tape that goes all the way around it, so okay. Taking it out of the box, got a few things I can already see we're going to have to work on. So it looks like this plate here with the roller, that has come out. That also has come out on this side. So let's just go ahead and get this wheel back into place here. There we go. And then I think this just snaps into place. It's very, very similar to the Lionel version. But wheels are spinning freely, so that's good. And I definitely like this, the roller contact rollers. I like those a lot better than the ones that were on the clear see-through hopper they had. Those trucks were not that great, but these are pretty simple. Wheels are spinning freely. I like the detail on the back. It's got the do not hump. Brake wheel. Built 2025 by Menards. It's got the Chessie logo over there at the top, same on the other end. The doors do open, but that inside you'll see where it just has the printed circuit board for the alternating lights. Okay, let's go ahead and test this out. We'll do a quick side-by-side as well. This reminds me of, it's kind of a cross between Williams and Lionel, but no, I mean, Definitely good quality boxcar, seems like anyway. It's had a couple of issues right out of the box. Here's the comparison. This is the MTH on the bottom here. And let's see here, just lining it up. It is a tad, probably not even an 1/8 of an inch shorter in length. But the Chessie, this was I think MSRP on this one was like $89 when it came out. After the rebate, I've got this for $31 and some change. Had it shipped to store for free. So yeah, I mean, there's going to be some differences, but still looks like a pretty nice boxcar. Let me hook it up to the transformer and see how those lights alternate. Okay, we're going to turn off the bench light here. Oh yeah, that should be fine. And I'm just going to hook up the positive to that. We're just going to ground it on the wheel. There we go. See what we got here. Well, okay, that's pretty cool. I love how it's got the smaller lights there that flash as well. That's pretty neat. And we'll try to turn it around so we can see the other side, make sure that's working like it's supposed to. It is. That's great. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and take it over to the layout. I'm going to set it up behind in the Chessie consist that's already on the layout right now, and yeah, we'll run it around the layout a few times. All right, folks, back over at the layout, I went ahead and put both the MTH lighted boxcar and the new Menards boxcar together in this Chessie consist. Let's go ahead and get it moving down the track. See what you think. Well, there you have it, folks. This is Menards' second release for this type of boxcar, with their first one being the Union Pacific boxcar released last year. Had a couple of repairs right out of the box, but as you can see, we were able to get those remedied pretty quickly. Only other nitpick I have is that the blue color they used is more of a royal blue and not that traditional dark blue color as seen with the Chessie system logo. Overall, I'm pleased with this purchase. I think it's going to be a great addition to my collection. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the line.